So today I'm going to talk to you about my entrepreneurship real estate journey. Okay, so the story starts my college years, but before that, I sort of always knew that I had a desire to be an entrepreneur when I was younger, and people used to ask me what I wanted to be, and I wanted to be like 5 different things at the same time. Like I wanted to be a doctor, I wanted to be a lawyer, and so many other things. But anyway, so that was the first, not even an inclination, but it just shows how your journey pieces together. So in the year of 2003, I graduated from high school. So after graduation, I went to college. And the college that I attended was actually a private institution that was around, say, the sum of over $14,000 a year. So during this first year of my schooling, took out the loans, everything that I needed to do. And accreditation was been threatened to be taken away from the school. So prior to leaving for the summer, they introduced the real estate program that they were rolling out for the next year. So I never really looked at real estate that way, but it sparked, and I'm like, hey, I think this is something that I would like to do. So going home for the summer, or coming back home for the summer, I actually looked more into real estate and actually taking the course, and I did it. I didn't pass the class the first time, and I don't think I passed the test the first time, but I eventually ended up getting my real estate license and started my career in real estate. So I didn't end up going back to school, because even then I knew, like, hey, if the accreditation is taken from this school, I'll have a bunch of debt for nothing. And I was already $14,000 in debt by taking out loans or whatnot. So I just couldn't see myself doing that again, knowingly that could happen. So I started my career in real estate, and as an entrepreneur, of course, at first you have to get your start, but once I started getting going, you make really good money. So it has been a field that has, pretty much empowered me to be a stay-at-home mother. It has been a field that it has empowered me to be self-employed. For the past 15 years, I hadn't had a job or worked for anyone. So yeah, that's my real estate journey. I love helping people find houses. I love helping people, achieve their dreams when it comes to purchasing real estate. So that's my real estate journey, and I have learned so much in it as far as entrepreneurship, work in different areas of real estate. I specialize in short sales. I specialize in first-time home buyers. I specialize in selling properties, or just teaching people how to invest and make a real estate investment purchase. So yeah, if you have any real estate questions, or you want to know more about real estate training, or you're getting started in the field, drop me a line, like, subscribe, do all of that. My email is in the description, so you can also email me, and wishing you the best.